Mira, you gotta get up. Drop the pillow. Just do what I say and drop the pillow. Drop the pillow. My Uncle Anthony used to sleep late. You know that? Alarm goes off, bada bing, snooze. Alarm goes off, bada boom, snooze. You know what we call Uncle Anthony now? The late Uncle Anthony.
Oh my goodness, it's time to wake up, you sleepy person. Yes, you, yes right, get out of bed. You cannot hit that sleep button.
He
Do not hit
says
that
it
snooze
is
button.
wrong.
It is time to get up. There is no more time for snoozing. Up, up, up.
Hello, sleepyhead. Rise and shine. Good morning. Up, 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 up. Good morning, sunshine. Buongiorno, bambino, huh? Why you treat me with no respect? You can get out of that bed, or I can come in and get you out of that bed. Capiche? Now, where's my cannoli?
Your Honor, like I always say, if the alarm don't quit, up you must get. My client cannot be expected to wake up in these circumstances. They are deplorable, undependable, inexcusable, unreliable, and unquintessential.
Well, I tell you what, you hit that there snooze button one more time, I'm gonna have to open up a six-pack of whoops, and you know I'm gonna do it too, don't you? Mira, you gotta get up. Drop the pillow. Just do what I say and drop the pillow. Drop the pillow. My Uncle Anthony used to